Hey guys, it's Al up in Electric City, Harley-Davidson up on Route 6 in Scranton. Today I'm going to do a walk around on a 2024 Street Bob. Here it is, a beautiful 2024 Street Bob in Baja Orange. Beautiful color. LED lighting. (114 cubic inch motor, 3.5 gallon tank. Nice clean look. Digital dash. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions on this bike or any other bike we have in stock, which we have a large inventory, please give me a call. 570-483-0883. Just ask for Al.